Alright, so I traded my Blue Ripper that I posted for this. I got it back because I didn't like the Blue Ripper. It got Tecro. It really breaks, and it costs. I might put on the screen how much it costs. And I got some OM bars. I had Ripper bars before, Public Enemy bars, but they put OM bars on here. And oh, I got ODI grips, one ODI grip, and one Hoagie SC grip. And my seat is done from all the work I put in. Done.
You need a new seat.
Got
bro.
a red piece. Anybody want to trade seats? It's blessed by the best, man. And I got one Shadow Conspiracy peg and one Hoagie SC peg. These joints dumb small, but I'm still working with it. For the back of the hydro. Yeah, I'm gonna get another back peg so it can match. I got these bummy pedals, these metal pedals that break your shins. My stickers all hoagied up right now, they all dirty. So I might have to take the stickers off. I got Maxis, they bought like $60 a tire. And I got this stock chain, stock sprocket. I put this from my old front turn-oners. You see it got a red hub and a black one got a back, cause I just recently cracked my my axle on the front one, so I had to replace it with this. And the back one is a still stock black one, and it's like a special little axle. Hopefully this don't mess up. And yeah, got the zip ties holding the line.
You want me some clips?
I'm about to, we about to do some clips on here for y'all just to test it out, or like, you know, brakes nice.
I see the bike track right there. Watch this one work. Let's try too. Let me see what he do. Oh my god! Of course, of course, of fucking course.
Land. Okay. I never seen.
It's messed up.
My, Ooh, I need some new bearings too. Just some light work we showing for y'all. Nothing too major.